Hello, welcome to English Sun Rocks, and today's lesson is Corals, Oceans Alive. So we will learn where corals live, how corals look, food for corals, coral reefs, and a glossary and a quiz at the end. Let's find out. Look at all these colors. Corals live in warm, shallow parts of the ocean. Shallow, not deep. Sunlight shines through the shallow water. Sunlight helps corals grow. Corals look like plants or rocks, but corals are really animals. Corals can be very colorful. Most corals grow in a group called a colony. Colonies grow in different shapes. A coral's body is shaped like a tube. Here's the mouth, look. A coral has a mouth at the top of its body. Remember that they are animals. Small arms grow around a coral's mouth. The arms are called tentacles. A coral uses its tentacles to catch food. The tentacles can sting prey. A coral eats small sea animals that float in the water. It also eats small fish. Tiny plants called algae live inside a coral. The algae make food for the coral. Remember, algae is plural, alga is the singular. So here we have algae, or in American English, algae. Mhm. Some corals make coral reefs. Each coral builds a hard skeleton around the bottom of its body. The skeleton is left behind when a coral dies. The skeletons build up on top of each other. The coral reef grows bigger and bigger. Look, there's a scuba diver here. Hi there. Some coral reefs have been growing for thousands of years. Look at all the coral around the island. Many different animals live on a coral reef. Coral reefs are like cities in the ocean. And here we have algae, small plants that do not have roots or stems. Algae grow in water. Remember that algae is the plural. Colony, a large group of animals that live together. A coral colony can have millions of corals. Coral reef, a structure in the ocean made of the skeletons of corals. Live corals live on the outside of a coral reef. Again, live corals live on the outside of a coral reef. Prey, an animal that is hunted by another animal for food. Shallow, not deep. Corals need clear, shallow water to live. Skeleton, a hard structure that supports and protects the body. Some corals have a cup shaped skeleton that they can hide in. Tentacles, the arms of some animals that are used for grabbing. A coral uses its tentacles to bring food to its mouth. So now let's see the quiz. Play, play, play. Start quiz. Where do corals live? Corals live in warm, shallow parts of the ocean where the sun can reach them, or corals live in the deep, cold parts of the ocean where sun can't reach them. Of course, they live in warm, shallow parts of the ocean where the sun can reach them. Yes, we are pretty sure. Good. Second, true or false? Corals are animals, not plants. True, they are animals. Very good. Yes, 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 we learned that they're animals. What is a group of coral called? A colony or a bundle? A colony, perfect. We learned a lot here. What shape is a coral's body? A coral's body is shaped like a tube or is shaped like a square box. Come on, baby, you know it. A tube, yes. Next. True or false? A coral's mouth is at the top of its body. False or true? True. Top of the body. Top of the body, yes. What are the arms of the coral called? The arms of the coral are called tachyphyles or they are called tentacles. Of course, we know it. Next. What do the coral use its tentacles for? The coral use its tentacles to feed the fish, alimentar a los peces, or to catch food and sting its prey. Yes, to catch food and sting its prey. Los pinchan. Three more. Why are algae important to coral? Algae are important to coral because they make food for the coral, or algae are important to coral because they protect the coral from big fish. They make food. Pretty sure, yes. Two more to go. When the coral dies, what is left behind? When the coral dies, the tentacles are left behind or the skeleton is left behind? Good. The skeleton is left behind when coral dies. About to finish. What lives on a coral reef? Coral reefs are cool, or plants and animals live on a coral reef? Obviously, yes. Plants and animals live on a coral reef. And we are done. We got them all. Dun, 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 calculating. As you read, try to asking yourself questions about the story. Obviously, don't have a doubt. Superb. Your hard work has paid off. And it is indeed. Let's keep on learning. Bye bye.